What's up, gang? I'm back with another video. Sorry I've been out from the channel for some time now. My life got busier around some stuff. Got school, got learn new skills. I actually got into forex lately. That one's been tough actually. But happy New Year first off, and this year 2024 we're going to get into a lot of tech stuff. We're going to do a lot of Java, a lot of Java programming, Android development, Spring Boot development, and all those other stuff. So this year 2024, at least I actually took a very long break 2023. So this year 2024 is actually going to be a blast for us here in the channel. So I have a lot planned for you guys here in the channel, and also I was thinking of changing the channel name to like Premium Developer, because I go by the name Premium Developer, and the channel is actually Java Mastery, and Java Mastery actually limiting me to only teach Java. I don't know. You can comment down below your take on it. I don't know if I should change from Java Mastery to Premium Developer, so that, but I know a lot of technologies. Like I know Python, I know JavaScript, I know Java, HTML, CSS, Android development, a little bit of React Native, Node.js, Express.js, and I think Python. I know Python flags, Django, and I can teach all those stuff. So only calling name the channel Java Mastery can actually limit me to only teach Java. Of course, I love Java. It's my Twitter page, my Twitter banner. My Twitter banner says I love Java programming so much. I'm a Java developer, that kind of stuff. So, and if you don't follow me on X, sorry, I made a mistake first time. If you don't follow me on X, the handle is down below. You can go there, click the link to follow me on X, and keep in touch with my inner circle of technology inspired minds. And also you can comment down below, tell me your take. If I should change from Java Mastery to Premium Developer, or I should leave it at Java Mastery and then teach other technologies like Python, JavaScript, Node.js, all other stuff. So that's what I have to say. I have a lot of great stuff planned for you guys in this year 2024. So happy New Year once again. And I'm gonna give you 1 minute to do all those YouTube stuff, like stuff like this: subscribe, like, and comment, and all this other stuff, and share also. So I'm gonna give you 1 minute to do that first. Play. So thank you for do all those YouTube stuff, subscribe, like, all this other. So you have to subscribe and turn on the notification button to stay up to date, because I'm going to be releasing videos steadily here. I've been going on holidays and all this other stuff, so I'm here in a new setting. This is not going to be my permanent studio. I'm just recording here to put the video out since it's a new year. I have to update you guys. So maybe I'll try to record like 3 more videos today and schedule them to be posted. Then when I get home, set up my studio and keep recording once more. So thank you for watching. If you like to bring other people into this journey we're about to embark on in 2024, you do want to share the video. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.